Hey class, welcome to the GCU Library Research Assignment. This is actually one of my favorite assignments to do. It's actually pretty simple, but at the same time, just have to pay really close attention to detail. The purpose of this assignment is getting you to understand how to use the library, the university library. So the great thing about the university library is it allows you to have access to research articles you wouldn't have access to if you did basic Google searches. So, university pours hundreds of dollars into gaining access to research articles that you wouldn't have just anywhere else. So this is a good start on understanding how to use how to use the GCU library, and also how to find the key information that you'll need to use to do your essays, research essays, the APA formatting, the APA references, citations, stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to click on this part, this right here, and it'll take you to, it might take you to this window where you won't be able to type anything on it. So if that's the case, that's okay. Just click on download up here, and it should pop up as a Word document. Here's the Word document. Just put your name, UNV-103, date, my name, however you put it. Just note, it's very important to click on this library walkthrough. It actually helps you understand the differences, the different aspects of the GCU library. It's really good. If you don't watch it, you might be more confused, but if you watch it, you'll be like, okay, this is simple enough. I can go through these steps below this tutorial. So if you get to this part after you click on it, it's a library walkthrough, get you through it. It's good to visually see it and maybe even have this up while you're trying to complete the assignment if you need help. And there's other things here too that are helpful that actually help you out quite a bit. But you can look at those, but you don't have to concentrate on those right now. You just want to concentrate on this university library walkthrough. As you scroll down, you'll see that there's a step-by-step process on how to complete the assignment. If you get stuck somewhere, you can always backtrack to previous steps to continue to go forward. But yeah, if you it's like a recipe book, like if you're going to make chocolate chip cookies, you want to add the ingredients in as you go to make sure you make really good cookies. Otherwise, you could be all over the place, confused, stressed out later on. Try to eat a cookie that doesn't taste as well as it could have had you followed the directions. So you want to take it step by step in this and go through. And then there's going to be copy and pasting on this one, because here you're going to go through and find an article, and then you're going to find the APA citation, the APA reference, and you'll see in the walkthrough what it looks like. Okay, if you do the library walkthrough. But as you go through, you're also going to see some other links to click on that are helpful with understanding. Like this one's talking about citing sources guide. As as you see here, you'll have the different APA styles, MLA, all that kind of stuff. Don't worry about the other ones. Just click on the APA style edition, and it'll take you to a way of formatting. Um, and it also goes over some information on some tutorials and some webinars that are up and coming if you want to take advantage of that. But basically, what you're going to be doing is looking on this left side on reference examples, and you'll see what a reference looks like in APA, since that's what we clicked on. And so it actually takes you through the steps of how to do it. But the great thing about the library is there's a way to find um, actual APA citations. So the reason why I show this to you is because you can actually see reference examples, or you can do in-text citations where like it actually shows you how to do an in-text citation. Like right here, after I clicked on in-text citation, I can come here and say, oh, I have three or more authors in a research article, and this is what the in-text citation would look like. How you would do it in the parentheses, how you would do it if you wrote it in a sentence. So it's kind of a really good tool. But in the worksheet, you're going to be doing you're going to be doing some copy and pasting from the library on the APA citation. The cool thing is it gives you even advice at this point because we notice it happens quite a bit. If you timed out or you've closed your previous results, you can start again and just keep going. Okay, there's going to be two articles you're going to do where you're going to paste the APA citation. You're going to paste on one of them the abstract, and then you're going to write a little couple sentence summary there as well. So it's real short assignment. It's really easy and fun. Just follow through with it. Don't stress yourself out. If you have questions about this, you can always contact me. We can always make a phone appointment and talk about it. Okay? So good luck.